Hey guys, this is Tracy from Ephemoire. I'm sharing with you today a mini book that I created from a greeting card from Canvas Corp Brands. And I'm going to just flip it over and show you the back. It's a Kraft card. This piece of muslin or canvas was stitched to the front. You get a set of 4 with the envelopes in the pack. Here on the front, I've got just a piece of scrapbook paper that I have torn around the edges and inked. And then I have a dictionary definition here for lucky. On the inside you'll see the stitching that is where the canvas is stitched on the original greeting card. Here inside what I've done is I've stitched in just some coffee dyed papers and used another one of the cards from the 12 by 12 paper I created. I made a little paperclip flag. This is another tag. These are shipping tags that have decorative napkins decoupage to them, and I just thought color-wise it matched really well. So again, just more coffee dyed paper, nothing special about it. It's been stamped. Now here is the first half of the page from the share case, and what I've done is I've folded it in half and I've turned it into a pocket. Here we've got some coffee dyed paper inside. This is another piece of paper from the Peachy journal kit, just used as a card. Another piece of paper from this same 12 by 12 sheet turned into a page flag. Got some more coffee dyed paper, and here I used some Glimmer mist from the Tattered Angels line. This is also from Canvas Corp, and this color is called Mallard, and I mean you couldn't ask for a better match than that. Now you'll see the other half of that page that I created, and again it's a double-sided pocket. This is another sheet down into a journal card, and again some more of the 12 by 12 sheet turned into a page flag. This last sheet again we sprayed with Tattered mist, Tattered Angels Glimmer mist. You know, I'm kind of a Glimmer mist fanatic, and again that's with the Mallard shade. And here's another one of those decoupage napkins and a page flag. So that's all there is to it. Now, a lot of people just starting out are often intimidated by making journals, so I specifically just stapled along the border of this one to show you that you could still easily make a mini book that looks great and is simple to do, and you don't need to be intimidated. Thanks for looking.